Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. We're going to continue with you the Redbubble series where we're going to talk about the 2 Redbubble print-on-demand products that you must focus on for maximum profit. Now in this channel I talk about my journey on making passive online income, and I talked about what worked for me, my income reveals, and a couple of strategies that I'm implementing. So today I'm going to talk about how to maximize your profit in print on demand. It doesn't have to be Redbubble, but I'm focusing on Redbubble in this strategies that I'm implementing, and I'm seeing that they bring massive great results. You can focus on Etsy, you can focus on Teespring, any other print on demand. So you focus on them by focusing on the best selling types of products, which we will discuss in today's video. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and follow us on our journey here. Now print on demand is a wonderful passive income opportunity because what it does is it allows creatives to make an online income while creating work that they love. So the different platforms to join if you want to get started on print on demand, and my favorite one that I've been using for the last 2.5 years is Redbubble. I also use Teespring, Zazzle and Etsy, but I have been focusing solely on Redbubble in terms of the marketing and in terms of the consistency in creating the designs there and uploading them, and you will know why later on. And my favorite platform, as I said, was Redbubble. I use it along with Canva, the program Canva Premium, to help in creating the designs and easily optimizing them for print on demand products. So I previously discussed my experience with Redbubble. I will link to the video about that in the description box below, where I talk about my income reveal. I've talked about tools that I've used, and I've also talked about step-by-step strategy to making passive income on Redbubble using the strategies that I've implemented. So why Redbubble? I choose it because I found it one of the most easiest platforms to use. Why? Because first of all, they allow you to upload up to 20 designs at a time. This is amazing because I love to multitask, and they allow you also to upload these 20 designs and edit them in one go. Redbubble also gives you the option to customize the royalty percentage, change it around, play around with it, and price also for each of the product types. So I've seen people even make their royalty up to 100 to 200%. Of course, you don't start off that way for stickers. I started off by around 50%, and now I have it up to 150%, and it actually works better that way, to be honest. I know it sounds really weird, but I've seen a lot of people use that strategy, and they've slowly and gradually upped their loyalty percentage when it comes to stickers. And another reason why I rely on Redbubble is it encourages you to enable all product types to maximize your profit easily with a click of a button. And there's also a wide variety of product types apart from the regular print-on-demand style t-shirts, mugs and stickers. You can find anything from aprons to puzzles to backpacks, all kinds of different masks and hats and so forth. And there's also a function in Redbubble that allows you to make designs for puzzles, metal canvas prints, tapestries. Of course, tapestries are amazing and they allow you to be extra creative with that. So this is my journey on Redbubble. I started it 2 years ago, around 2.5 years ago, and during that time I learned the importance of focusing on specific product types in order to maximize profit. And this is what I'm doing here today. My aim is to help you, especially people that are getting started on Redbubble or any other print on demand, to kind of get a head start. So you don't need to do the hard work that me and so many other people have done in order to see what works for them and what doesn't. I want you to focus on these product types, because if you create good designs also for them, they will maximize your profit, they will maximize your income, and they will also give you a better head start when it comes to establishing yourself in the Redbubble market. And the 2 product types that I found work amazingly well, what are they? First of all, we've got stickers, and then we've got tapestries. Each of them is priced and sized at the end of the scale. Stickers are super affordable, tapestries are really high in price, but they focus on creating a custom design. I want you to focus on creating a custom design for these 2 product types. It's very rewarding and very profitable if you focus on these 2 product types. Let's have a look why. Because with both of stickers and tapestries, you need to pay attention to niching down and attacking high traffic, high demand keywords. I want you to follow the trending and seasonal design. This is really necessary to attract a surge of traffic, and start by incorporating evergreen designs and also trending and seasonal designs. This will really help to attract buyers all year round. The evergreen designs will attract buyers all year round, and the seasonal and trending designs are really good for that surge of traffic, are really good for that high spike in sales that we all need and love. And stickers, because stickers sell like crazy. Although these little beauties are small in size and they're very affordable, do not underestimate their potential. Just do not. Customers, especially the younger generation, they tend to buy bulk amounts at a time, and they're driven by trending designs. They're driven by quotes. They're driven by illustrations that are fancy and that are like prove a point or tackle a social issue. Stickers have different users. They can be placed to design the computer cases, on the walls, in journals, in cars. There's so many different uses of stickers. Now you can get started by focusing on text-based designs, and then slowly and gradually you incorporate small elements, and then you scale up to making sticker packs. Now sticker packs are the strategy right here that I want you to focus on. Because why? Their sticker packs are one of my best sellers, since they provide a theme-based sticker for the price of one large sticker. So it's around, let's say, about 6 to 8 or 6 to 9 stickers all in one pack, and they take up the space of one large sticker. They're affordable, they're convenient, and they're very in high demand, because it actually seems like you're offering the customer the sticker packs for the price of one sticker, and this actually motivates them to buy more. In most cases, when I have my best-selling sticker types, customers bought more than one sticker pack. Now you can also start at the smaller royalty percentage, as I said earlier, then scale as high as 200% royalty. And don't worry if they are still if they do not sell at the beginning, but to be honest, when you opt for a higher royalty, then and you're a new designer and your designs are text-based, it's really important for you to start off small, like around that 50 to 70% royalty for stickers, and then slowly gradually up to around 100 to 150 until you see them selling quite well and they get to be ranked higher. But be prepared to invest your time and your energy in promoting them, especially if you opt for the higher royalty, around the 200% royalty for stickers. So we've discussed stickers and why they're important and what are the strategies to do. Focusing on sticker packs, focusing on upping your royalty percentage. Let's talk about the other part, the tapestries, and why I consider them one of my favorite product types in Redbubble. Tapestries, they're amazing. The second hottest selling product type for me. Be prepared to adjust the sizing and upload another version with smaller sizing for stickers and mugs also. Now, why do I like tapestries? It is because tapestries, these beauties are more expensive in price, which means better royalties and better compensation for us designers. But if the designs are good, then they will attract sales. Tapestries can be used to decorate walls, prove its statement, a strong visual element in the home, and I find that a good percentage for tapestries is around 20 to 30%. 20% yields great results for me, but I've also seen creators boost it to 35%. Now, due to the royalties being much more higher than other product types, make sure to invest the time and the energy to design visually appealing tapestries. You can focus on trending designs such as affirmations, celestial, astrology-based, or floral designs with a twist. Now, what are the takeaways? What are the summaries of this video that I want you to take away by the end of this video? The choice is yours. Would you want to invest more time and energy creating tapestries that bring in more revenue, or would you like to opt for the consistent smaller sales of stickers and sticker packs and potentially increase the visibility and the traffic of your store? Whatever choice you decide with at the very beginning, either way, make sure that you enable all products, because you never know which product type your customer will be attracted to. Do you sell print on demand products? If so, let us know what are your strategies, or what are your experiences in selling print on demand products in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please support the channel, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.